Front sills. The front sill plate is a single piece of plastic that can be easily replaced in a few minutes. You just need to pry along the outer edge, red arrow, with a trim removal tool. Note, you do not need to remove the seat to remove the sill plate. The sill plate sits in a plastic slot in the lower A-pillar trim, red arrow. Lift this section first, then pry up along the outside edge to release the pressure clips inside the sill, yellow arrows, under the plate. With the sill removed, you can see how the plastic sill sits in the clips, red arrow, along the rockers. Installation is the reverse of removal. The rear sills. The rear sill plates are held in place by clips as well, but also have a flap that sits in the rear C-pillar trim, red arrow. Begin by working at the front of the sill plate and prying upwards and towards the rear, red arrow. When you get to the rear, you can lift the plate forward and out from the C-pillar trim piece. This photo shows the two clips on the rocker, red arrows. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.